Wait, hold on.
Hi everybody, I'm going to show you how to use the dissolved oxygen probes. Alright, so we'll hand them to you like this in the box, and you just need to take the lid off. There's going to be 2 pieces of paper, the directions, and then a safety sheet. The safety sheet we don't need right now, you can just set it back in the box lid. The containers will look something like this. There should be the actual probe, a solution for filling it up, and then this is where we'll put some deionized water when we're not using the probes. This is a sodium sulfate solution that we'll use to help calibrate them. So your probes should be actually empty of liquid when you first get them. You need to unscrew the lid, and that exposes what's called the electrode. This is the part that actually takes the reading. Inside here, we're going to put 1/2 ml of electrode filling solution. So you want to just be careful with these. You can set them like this. Just try not to touch the electrode to anything. There should also be a pipette that's in your box. Please don't use just any one from around the classroom. These are special for this. So you want to take the lid off of this, and there might be a sealed container. You can just take that off, and then get 0.5 mils of solution. And then release your eyedropper to fill up the cap. So when I put this back on, some of the liquid is probably going to escape, and that's okay. In this case, it didn't do that. Okay, so now we're ready to take this protective lid off, the blue lid. You can just put that back in the box. And we're going to put the probe in some water in this solution just while it warms up. Distilled water. Distilled. Which one is distilled? Oh. So this is distilled water. That'll add to this. And it's actually going to be faster if I just pour it. It doesn't really matter how much goes in, you just want to fill up this container. And then you can put the lid back on. So then you're going to place the probe in here, and you might have to use a little force. Sometimes it helps if you loosen this lid to lessen the pressure, and then you can tighten it back up. And we're ready to let these warm up. They have to warm up for about 10 minutes before we do anything else. So you're going to take a Vernier LabQuest and just plug this into one of these ports that's available. Then it'll show up on your screen like this. So I have 2 plugged in, so there's 1, 2, and then we just leave it there for about 10 minutes.